Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead, access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, and once you have access your particular WhatsApp app, all you have to do is simply choose a user whom you would like to send that message. Now go ahead, tap on this camera icon right over here and simply go ahead, choose a picture of yours. So let's say this is the picture, and if you would like to send it for a one-time view, tap on this little icon which is the indicator of one-time view. Go ahead, tap on this OK option, and now tap on send. And now that photo has been sent as one time. Once a user taps on the picture, they will be able to view it, and it will be removed afterwards. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.